Long equations like this require lots of brain food.
Well, that gets tricky when no food's allowed in class.
But have no fear. Sneaking in food is easier than you think. Hello, I need pepperoni.
Okay. Hey!
What's that smell?
You've just gotta be super smooth. If you want to chow down in class, get a load of these tricks. Be sure, no teacher can stop you. Hey, what's that?
I don't know.
There was a show tonight! We're so there! Hold it! No food's getting past those ropes! You can snack after the show.
I don't have anything.
Busted! I don't want to get in trouble too. I think I can figure something out. This is gonna be epic. Just cover your backpack with a hoodie like this. And you're ready to go. Chubby cheeks are the cherry on top. Look at me! It is the perfect plan. Stop right there. Okay. Sucker. Whew.
What did you eat, Grace?
It's just my backpack. Care for some snackage? Good news travels fast. Show's about to start. Pound it.
Time's almost up, kids.
And done. All this focus works up an appetite. Want some? Huh? I hate this place. No one ever lets me eat in peace. But I can't help if I'm hungry in class. So unfair. I'm not taking this lying down. I've got an idea. Get a plastic bag like this. And fill it with your favorite snacks. Pierce the plastic with metal rings. Binders are perfect for this. It'll lay flat as if it were paper. Sneaking food just got way easier. Which page do you want? guys? Nothing to see here. Whew, that was close. Ugh, I'm hungry.
Uh-huh.
What? Ah, now that's fresh. Matt, do you have a death wish? Want some? It's good. I'm not drinking glue, silly. What? We need an empty glue bottle. Wash it out with soap and water. Then fill it with something sweet. Make sure it resembles glue like this. Time to fill her up! Looks an awful lot like glue, right? Wow! Put the cap back on and you're done! Whoa! Let me give it a try! Perfect!
What the?
Hey! Care to share? Wow. Oh my gosh! Matthew's staring at me!
Oops.
Hi! See ya! Hey, wanna share my snack, Matt? What? She's wasting my candy on Matt? Huh? Actually, maybe this is a blessing in disguise. You can put candy right in the brush. They fit perfectly under the bristles. Now when you have a sugar hankering, simply brush your hair. Huh? Hand it over! No! Whatever. This class could use some excitement. Even if it's just in my mouth. Pay attention, kids! That thing sure is long, huh? Around the world in 1, 2, 3. What on earth? My gum! This is the worst day ever. Hey! This cape dispenser is perfect! These things are good for more than tape. They make great gum dispensers. Now you can rip off the perfect piece. Whoa! Thanks, Matt. Don't even mention it. Ugh.
Hey! Don't you read, Grace?
Oh no! Is the coast clear? I'm starving! Is Matthew chewing? I don't see anything. Aha! Matthew! You got grub? What do you think? That was fantastic! Have an empty chips can? Take a marker. Outline a cutout like this. Then cut it out with a blade. Be sure to disguise the can. Now it'll look like a pencil tin. Once that's done, fill it up with a snack. Nice choice. Still have the lid? Drop it in. This way your pencils can sit on top. Pretty brilliant, right? Wow! Tummy feel better now, Grace? Perfect! Interested in sneaky snacking? Then you'd better avoid plastic wrap. See? Whoa! One at a time, people! So much for that.
Grace!
Oh no! That so wasn't worth getting caught. Hey, I can take the wrapper off this. Crayons make great candy disguises. All you'll need is the paper part. It fits right in, see? As long as the colors match, you're good. The teacher will never catch on to this. Just be sure to let your desk partner in on it.
What?
Ugh! Aw, sorry, Matt. Oops. Wait! I can't erase with this thing! Did I leave my big eraser at home? I'll use this.
Don't use that. Take this one.
What? It's holding my nerds! I want some!
I'll show you how it's done. Using a blade, cut a small portion of the end off. Put the middle aside. Now put the larger end in its wrapper.
Amazing.
But not all the way. Here's where you drop in candy. Don't forget to close it. I'm gonna erase these hunger pains, alright?
Thank you! So good! Love these sneaky hacks? Share them with your classmates and don't forget to subscribe to 123 Go School for more awesome videos like this one!